back to Main Character Radio. This is your host Nashri.
And I'm Love. Let's de-romanticize our life one episode at a time.
Okay, so we are back
That we are.
after almost, I think, 6 months?
A year.
A year.
Almost a full year.
We are back into the time when we actually started to shoot this podcast, right?
Yeah. But we're pulling through. And it was just very different now. A lot has changed. And
The way we think has changed. The setup has changed.
do you like this one better?
Let us know in the comment section if you're still listening to us.
And
Yes,
thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Haath jod ke thank you as well.
To everyone that has still subscribed to our channel, we are so sorry.
अगर आप भूल गए unsubscribe करने इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि notification pop होती अरे unsubscribe बिल्कुल नहीं.
पर हम appreciate करते हैं कि आप टिक गए हमारे साथ.
What would you say is the main reason behind us leaving the podcast?
I feel like last end of July a lot started happening with me, and then
With me
जब
also.
मेरे साथ होता है तो उसका होने वाला होता है, जब उसके साथ होता है तो मैं ब्रेस कर लेती हूँ क्योंकि मेरे साथ होने वाला होता है.
2 दिन max. Give us 2
Yeah.
days.
Give or take. उसके साथ हो गया तो मतलब मुझे पता है कि अब मेरा भी कटेगा. So
कटना तो है.
सबका है. But I feel like a lot of self-doubt started coming, and we started thinking that were we pretty enough to post?
Yes.
Were we ever gonna be,
Famous
get there?
enough.
Yeah. And-
Why? The main question was why will people listen to us?
Exactly.
Who are we?
Exactly. Who
So-
are we? And that whole self-doubt was killing.
Killing us. So
Yeah.
we thought that let's take a small break, and that small break turned out
Turned
to
into
be
a
year of break.
which we were
शर्म आती है हमको ऐसा नहीं है बहुत आती है शर्म हमारी शर्म नहीं है. But this time I have thought that what we want will make the difference here is that this time we will talk in front of the camera like we talk when we both are together.
naturally
Naturally जैसे है बिल्कुल नहीं filter नहीं. We are very unhinged people by the way.
Yeah.
We are like अगर you see us making fun about our worst trauma, just know that this is our
It's a coping mechanism.
Exactly.
हम वैसे ही हैं. Chandler, we see you. And
हम
whoever's watching, we see you too.
जिसका ह्यूमर इज अ कोपिंग मैकेनिज्म हम है. लोगों को ऐसा लगेगा कि पागल है क्या इस बारे में हंस रहे हैं. हाउ कैन दे.
The worst thing will happen and हम एक दूसरे को in the span of 1 nanosecond कॉल करेंगे and be
ऐसा
like,
ऐसा हो गया पता
पता
है.
नहीं हो गया.
I know.
He haha our way to life. But it's self-doubt, and that's why we have chosen to talk about self-doubt today.
Because I think a lot of people struggle with self-doubt. They struggle with making decisions and doing things in their life because they are so doubtful कि if we take this step, what will gonna happen? We hear you, we see you, we are you, basically.
We're all together and togetherly in on this, and it completely sits well with why we were gone.
Yeah.
And the whole self-doubt, whether it be self-doubt is usually just emotions dressed up as fear. We are just fearful, and that's why we doubt ourselves. And that's the thing that happened with us. I constantly thought that I need to lose some weight before I post. I don't want to get into my content creation dreams because there are amazing people out there, and I need to lose weight before I post. I need to perfect my camera. I need to have a good setup. I need to do this. It's almost like procrastinating my way through life, and now I have so much to catch up on, and it's just
It's a race that we are running, but finish line आ ही नहीं रही
फिनिश
है.
लाइन कैसे आएगी भाई. हर चीज को कराना बोल देते. कल की प्रॉब्लम्स
That's what. There is a dialogue in Love आजकल. Okay, पाजी मैं defective piece हूँ. मैं ज़्यादा देर तक दुखी नहीं रह सकता. This is me. I left podcasting because I was thinking am I looking okay? Am I looking perfect? Is my hair perfect? Am I looking perfect in the camera? And now it's been some days actually. I tuned into our old videos, and at that time I can see that I was so conscious, but I'm like okay.
एग्जैक्टली.
इंसान जैसा है वैसे ही दिखेगा ना.
भाई वही बात है.
तो
Because भाई मतलब आप, and especially we really like ourselves.
Yeah.
Most of the times I feel like everybody has their own sets of pros and cons. Not that you should be making pros and cons lists about other people. You should. About yourself, maybe you should.
Yeah,
But-
don't about other people.
Yes, please. Don't be a Ross.
I was about to say that. That is such a Ross behavior. Oh my god.
Like when the best thing about being in your 20s is it's just the best time to be self-reflecting. Because मैं किसी और का क्या ही देखूं, मुझ में 15 प्रॉब्लम है, मैं खुद के संभाल लूं पहले.
Ma'am, this is so important. I will tell you. As soon as you enter your 20s, you think that, oh my god, this is my high time. I need to do this. I need to do that. I need to build
Exactly.
this, that.
पैसे
For my
कमाने हैं
पैसे
मुझे.
कमाने हैं, मेरे को 30 साल के 50 साल के बाद रिटायरमेंट ले लेनी है, भागना है, दौड़ना है, whatever.
Exactly.
गारंटी है तुम 50 साल के बाद जिंदा रहोगे?
वही बात है, जिस चीज की गारंटी नहीं है, हम बैठ के अपना दिमाग खराब करते रहते हैं अबाउट एवरी नेगेटिव सिचुएशन जो हम सोच
And
सकते हैं.
nobody has to actually come and tell me anything negative about me because मैं already so चुकी
Exactly.
हूँ.
Anything bad you can possibly come and tell me about me,
I already
you're
have.
not alone.
No,
I'm there before, you know. I'm the biggest hater of my own self.
Yeah, same. Yeah, so I'm the biggest critique, I'm saying, of myself.
Mhm.
Because that's what I do. Like, किसी को आके मुझे ये बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है कि तुम्हें पता है, like, this is the part that, you know, like, doesn't look nice on you. Maybe this don't look nice on you. Maybe what you're doing is not nice. I've already done that, been there, done that before. But what I have understood, you know, but with self-doubt is that it eats you alive. It eats you alive because you delayed stuff in your life so much. You think like, listen, I think you just wanted to do something in your life and you're just thinking, okay, maybe I'm not ready at this point of time. I will be ready in a month. And that month turns into months.
Yeah.
And then those months turn into years and your self-doubt takes that away from you. Imagine how much power you give to something inside your head that you created.
And I feel like the self-doubt comes from everywhere. Dekho, you know, sometimes we are doing so well in our life and we have spent a whole month. Let's say, chalo, कि कोई इंसान actually मेहनत कर भी रहा है, you know, to settle themselves down. And so the weird thing about self-doubt, when you've been doubting yourself for your whole life, think about it, it becomes like an addiction. You're so used to doing it, right? And the weird thing is about addiction is little whiff of it and you are back to it. It could be a little comment like, you know, your mom suddenly telling you that, if only you were skinnier, you know, I think you could be a model. And I get that you think I'm pretty enough to be a model, but do you see the first part? It's so passive aggressive in the sense that, you know, especially in like societal beauty standards and everything,
Yeah.
self doubt, and just beauty standards भी नहीं, society के हर चीज के standards कि, you know, right now actually we are in our 20s, early 20s, and come to think of it, so many people right now are like, oh my god, मैं पैसे नहीं कमा रहा, मैं ये नहीं कर रहा, मैं वो नहीं कर
Too
रहा.
much pressure.
And
Too
it's
much pressure.
crazy.
You sit with it. I sometimes sit with it and think that what am I doing with my life right now? What am I doing with my life? But have you ever one day sat down with yourself and thought कि आज मैंने पूरे दिन में क्या किया that made me smile, that made me laugh, that would go into that core memory section of my head.
Exactly.
No, nobody thinks about it.
And
You always running after failure. I'm such a failure. I think of myself as that. A little bit of something people will tell to me and I will take it to my heart so much that I will sit and think that am I a failure? I will question myself over and over and over again. But at the end I just know that I'm not.
Exactly. Do you actually think कि तुम मेरे लाइफ में आके
मेरे-
मुझे
मेरे
ऐसे
ऐसे
गंदा
गंदा
फील
feel
करवाएगा
करवा के?
भाई
छ में बड़ी की मात्रा
छी तू दूर है, तू मेरे लाइफ में आके मुझे गंदा फील कराएगा अबाउट माई सेल्फ जो मुझे पता है. It's just
Everyone's
Everybody's-
dreams are different actually. What they
Yeah.
want from life is very different. So if you're comparing yourself to someone's
on
maybe
the
middle,
internet.
exactly on the internet, and maybe with you comparing your journey with someone's journey that is already about to finish. They started way back and they are like about to reach the finish line, and you just started and you're like, oh my god, that person is so ahead of me in the race.
Yeah.
That doesn't make any sense.
It
Their
does not.
dreams, their sets of dreams are different. Your plans are completely different. Focus on yours, you see. And what I have, this is like everybody who have actually watched Princess Diary would know this line. I have told you this, right? That courage is not the absence of fear. And I want to switch it with self-doubt.
Yeah.
Courage is not the absence of self-doubt, but it is the fact that your brain recognizes this as something else is more important. And it always says,
Exactly.
brave might not live forever, but cowards never live at all. Yes, with relationships also people actually go through self-doubt, you know?
Self-doubt is a see. Come to think about it, when you self-doubt about one thing,
You self-doubt about everything.
about everything. No sector in your life will be
Remain
sorted.
untouched.
Yeah, will remain untouched. I mean, come to think of it, when you are only bettering one sector of your life, while everything else is very, I can't use that word, bad.
Messed up.
Yeah, messed up.
Yeah.
एक सेक्टर सही करने के चक्कर पे बाकी सारे आपके मेस्ड अप है, तो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप एक सही करके इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक आपका बस बेड साफ है और पूरे रूम पे कचरा
Yeah,
है.
exactly.
You get the analogy. So when you're working on yourself, you start from here, and then it just all starts spreading out, because it all starts in here. I have this very bad habit that as soon as I feel like self doubt ho raha hai and I'm not feeling enough for myself, I keep having this feeling that I want to change my hair, my nails, everything, my wardrobe, everything. I want to change everything from the outside. And this
And-
time it's different.
Yeah.
Because I am giving myself an internal glow up first before going to the external. Because as long nothing changes if nothing changes.
And I will tell you, okay, how to break this pattern. It might be really hard, but start with small things. Imagine that it's like a very small plan. When you said about the room wala thingy, I will
Yeah.
tell you, I am a person who cannot function in a messier room.
Yeah.
Okay, I cannot. But when I am going into this, my hibernation, mera apna hi cave,
Yeah.
I will abandon that room and go shift to another
To
cleaner
another.
room. But I will not clean the mess that I made in my room, and I will not come here only because I know that it will like mess with my head. So what I want you to do, that if you're sitting on it, that you want to clean your surrounding. It's such a small thing, but sometimes with people when they're going through tough times, even smallest thing to pick up a handkerchief from the floor is difficult.
Like a small achievement.
Small
Like,
achievement.
go take a walk.
Go take
Like
a walk,
maybe go
clean your room,
Journal something.
journal something.
Maybe look at the mirror and talk to yourself. Because at the end of the day, your self doubt is not going to be fixed no matter how many people on the internet tell you that you need to do this, you need to do that. At the end of the day, what you're not changing, you're choosing.
Exactly.
And as long as you keep doing that, it's not going to cut it. Whether it be about your career, your relationships, your toxic patterns, your bad habits, your addictions, or anything, what you're not changing is what you're choosing, and those consequences will forever just only be yours. And this is huge. This is what I think changed my perspective about things. In the span of the last 1 month or so, I think I have seen a lot more growth than I did in like a whole year.
Mhm.
And this month,
The span comes, okay? This is what
Yeah.
happens. I will tell you. This growth span also comes.
yeah,
But you right now need to understand this until and unless you actually push yourself
bring
towards
that
your.
time.
Yeah. And I will tell you what is self doubt is, it might sound bad, but self doubt is actually a comfort zone. Because you are sitting on it, you are letting it rot
Procrastinating
you
Yeah.
inside. This is your comfort zone.
Yeah.
Self doubt, destructive habits are your comfort zone. What you need to, इसीलिए when you leave them, when you do not want to like be so confident in your life, it feels so uncomfortable,
Yeah.
because you're pushing yourself through your out of your comfort zone.
Yeah.
And I will tell you, the only way out is through.
No matter how much now, whoever will tell you anything,
Yeah.
this is something you need to settle with yourself. At the end of the day, you're not competing with anybody. You're competing with yourself. Are you better than what you were yesterday? If you are, you do you. You are doing good. Self-doubt ke chakkar pe, I feel like we have lost so many good years and so many moments of our life. I have this terrible habit that when I'm having a very amazing moment, I keep staying in the moment, and मैं उस moment में बैठ के realize कर moment खत्म हो जाएगा, and then I won't have this moment anymore, and this moment will pass.
But no, on a serious note, this
Yeah.
do happens to a lot of people. They will come and give you advice about your career, about what you should wear, how you should sit, how you should talk,
Everything.
everything. बोलते कैसे हैं,
Exactly.
जाना कहाँ पे है, किन लोगों के साथ रहना तक है, they will tell you. But who
Yeah.
are they?
And thankfully वो advice हमने नहीं सुनी, इसलिए हम साथ हैं.
Exactly. कौन है वो? राशन पानी देते हैं आपका. देते भी होंगे तो खुद कमा लेना अपना राशन पानी.
Exactly.
किसी का मत सुनो, because you are the one who's living this life, and
It's
क्या गारंटी है कि
yours.
नेक्स्ट मिलेगी?
Exactly, it's yours. No one else is coming out here and giving you this life. It's yours. Your heart is pumping the blood. You are thinking your thoughts. You are keeping yourself alive. Like, this is something that made me stop hating my body so much. Because
Because every time you get up,
I get up. Why should I hate the body that is giving me the opportunity to wake up every single day, 30 trillion cells in my body, all working in my favor, so I can get up and choose to do something for myself? And that's what I'm gonna do. I choose me. And if you don't choose me, I'm sorry.
but it's okay.
Pardon jawab.
If you're genuinely, some people suffer severely from this thing,
Yeah.
and if your surrounding is not helping you, you should seek help
Seek
first.
help first
And
of
then
all.
all, if your surrounding is not that supportive, also vocalize about it. That listen, I'm like going through all these things. I'm not doing well, and just watch out for those people who does not support you at this
Exactly.
moment. It is like a Gen Z की language में बोलने के लिए red flag बहुत बड़ा वाला. Be it
Bad red
anybody,
flag,
be your
man.
blood, be it your flesh and blood, or be it your somebody that you chose to be with.
Yeah.
You know, you created that bond with your own hands. But it is so important to cleanse your life nicely.
Out of those people. They don't need to be there. So, I mean, I feel like we're slowly nearing the end of this episode. I mean, this is just about us coming back, sharing about what we've been through, and just like last point के लिए बताओ आप self doubt आपको कैसे hit कर रहा है इन दिनों? सही हो आप?
देखो, this is my first step, honestly saying that अगर मैं आज यहाँ पे आके कैमरा फ्रंट पे बैठी हूँ ना, it took a lot
To be here.
to be here.
And we're all proud of you.
Exactly. So, doing progress, that's what I'm saying. Stuff that makes you uncomfortable. ये shoot करने से बैठने से पहले, I was just telling her that, are you feeling nervous? Are you feeling nervous? I'm feeling so nervous. I'm feeling so nervous because big thing for me. So that's what. It's a small win for me that I'm sitting here today and I'm recording this video and I know that it's gonna get uploaded soon.
And the thing is, these small wins are going to stack up for you and all work in your favor because the brain really likes to rationalize things, right? And so we do this thing that when we see our small wins, we see that we have won. There is proof in our head that we have won. Hence, we can win again. Every day is a battle that we will continuously, maybe someday we'll lose, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to get up and fight for it.
Exactly. See, that's the thing about progress, okay?
Yeah.
One day
It's
you're
not
making
linear.
progress, and the next day you'd again be under the rock bottom. Again, you have to make your way up. It's like a spirally staircase. When you look down, you might feel a little dizzy. Oh my god, I'm in such like a up position.
Yeah.
But you're just winning in life.
Exactly, and eventually the staircase ends because you stop counting. And you won't even realize it, but
And stop looking down also.
yeah,
Because you're up.
yeah.
Up
It's
top.
just like so up top, you don't see it. You know, this at the end of the day, when we kind of realize that in this marathon race of life, we're not competing with other people.
We are running our own solo races.
And that's what we think, that we have to still keep running like that. We don't have to keep running, we can go at our own pace. Another person's value and another person's beauty or another person's money or career or anything doesn't have anything to do with you. What you have is what has everything to do with you, because the other person's value, actions, and decisions are theirs. You know, this is your life. You're going to be different. Their actions will not define you. Their words will not define you. Another person being Miss World is not going to, affect your beauty.
This इससे याद आया actually Miss Sushmita Sen जब Miss Universe बनी थी ना, so the question that was asked to her was that why do you think that you deserve to win out of all these people? And her answer was so nice. She just said that ki, it's not that I think that I am best among all the people standing here. I think today I am the best version of myself. So that's what you should become, neither I should compete with her, neither she should compete with me. She's living a different life. I am living a different life. So the only competition that we had is to get up and
you.
be. Exactly.
Your only competition is you. So, with that being said, I think we have reached the very end of our first episode.
And I also want to address something.
Yeah.
We take your feedbacks really, really seriously.
Mhm.
And the last time we did our podcast, a lot of people actually told us that why don't you guys like contradict each other?
Mhm.
So the thing with that is, it's not like that we are like sitting here and doesn't want to contradict each other.
Yeah.
The thing with us is that we are very similar, very like-minded people. So it is in general topics also when we are not sitting in front of the camera, and usually
We also
also
agree with everything. Like half brain cell, one
one
brain
brain
cell.
cell. Sorry.
Exactly.
So it's not like that ki we are doing it on purpose, but definitely if there comes up sometimes that I do not agree with what she's saying, I'll definitely try. She will also definitely
Yeah,
try
to contradict.
but
We're-
definitely will not sit here and
Yeah,
fake it just for you know to
exactly.
make the stir up the drama.
Yeah.
So we will not do it, but we'll try. अगर कभी कुछ लगा तो definitely.
So with that being said, thank you so, much for watching. Thank you so much for staying. We adore your patience. Thank you for listening to us. We'll be back really, really soon with the very next episode and the first episode of Main Character Radio Season 2.
So please like, share,
And
subscribe, and hopefully we will stay this time.
Fingers crossed. We really are trying. But thank you so much. Bye bye.